Good day everyone, you're watching Corecast News and we begin with your local weather update for Olongapo City, Zambales.
Good day everyone, you're watching Corecast News CNN and here's your weather update for today. Most part of the country will experience partly cloudy skies with temperatures ranging from 26 to 33 degrees Celsius. It will be generally warm and humid, especially in the afternoon. So expect a bit of heat if you are heading outside. There is also a chance of isolated rains, showers, and thunderstorms due to localized thunderstorms. Some of these may become moderate to heavy, so it's better to bring an umbrella just in case. That's your weather update for today. Stay safe, stay prepared, and have a good day. Once again, CNN Corecast News.
In local updates, the Subic Bay Metropolitan Authority has announced temporary nighttime closures at Kalayaan Gate and 14th Gate for ongoing construction.
The Subic Bay Metropolitan Authority or SBMA announced the temporary nighttime closure of two main gates, Kalayaan Gate and 14th Gate, to allow construction work on the new welcome arches. According to the advisory, the gates will be closed daily from 9 p.m. until 5 a.m. starting February 16 until February 20, 2026. This temporary shutdown is necessary for the lifting of roof, trusses, and other heavy structural components which involves cranes and large machinery. SBMA official emphasized that the nighttime closure are for public safety as overhead lifting operation and the movement of heavy equipment could pose risk to motorists and pedestrians in high traffic areas. Authorities advise motorists, employees, and residents to plan their trips ahead and use alternative entry and exit points during these hours. Traffic personnel will also be deployed to help manage vehicle flow on nearby roads. SBMA assured the public that regular operation will resume at 5 a.m. each day and thanks everyone for their cooperation. While these improvements enhance the Freeport infrastructure and appearance. I'm Mark Isaac Bernes reporting for Corecast News.
Bumili ka ng suka! Yung mukha sim!
Opo, Nay! Pabili nga po ng suka. Yung ganito.
Ah, dato puti.
Akin na yan, Dato Puti!
Galing mo sumapak, man.
Nay! Champion ako!
Bumili ka ng suka! Champion ka na! Yung mukha sim!
Ang Dato Puti po. May asin pa si Mami.
Dato puti!
Bagong biyak na buko, ang sarap nito, Nesfruta Buko, why not?
Coconut!
Buko masarap, made with real fruit juice, Nesfruta Buko, why not? Coconut, buko masustansya, rich in vitamin C, Nesfruta Buko, why not? Coconut, no artificial color, real na real, kitang real, lasang real na buko, Nesfruta Buko, real na real ito. Also available in mangosteen.
Ang bango-bango, ang bango-bango, ang bango ng detergent ko.
Ayon sa research, halos 80% ng mga misis mas gusto ang bango ng Pride with Fabcon kaysa leading brand even after 24 hours. Dahil ang Pride may tuloy bango microbeads para sa bangong tuloy-tuloy buong araw.
Tuloy-tuloy bango.
Kaya misis, tuloy na sa Pride with Fabric Conditioner.
Tuloy-tuloy bango. ng Pride with Fabcon ko.
Ituloy ang bango with Pride.
In showbiz news, former Miss Universe Philippines Michelle D is taking legal action to protect her reputation online.
Michelle D has been announced that she is pursuing legal actions against social media personality Sian Gasa, accusing him to spreading malicious allegations about her online. According to reports, D is determined to protect her reputation and send a clear message that false statement and cyberbullying will not be tolerated in the public sphere. The case has drawn attention across social media, with fans expressing support with Michael D as navigates the legal battle. Updates are expected in coming days as the matter of progress. Reporting for Corecast News, I'm George Alpay, reporting for Showbiz.
And in national political news, Vice President Sara Duterte has officially announced her candidacy for the 2028 Philippine presidential elections. And that wraps up today's edition of Corecast News. From local weather updates and community advisories to the latest entertainment and national politics, we remain committed to bringing you timely and reliable information. Thank you for joining us this Wednesday, February 18, 2026. Stay informed, stay safe, and have a wonderful day ahead. I am Maya Jadelia Bactag, and this has been Corecast News.